Me don't know why them have them dirty mouth for me.
How do them? Them a waste.
Who no want see me make it, me go make them shame. Bad boy, suck on no mother and come off for me.
Proper resolution, and I say, yo, find a mutual friend. Make the mutual friend talk to her and talk to you and see if I can fix things, because I don't want it reach quarter of land rate. That's all I'm saying. No? Me not diss you nothing. You know what you do? You go and you make a skit, a style. I mean, no, the difference with me and Uno play hypocrite, me talk plain. You do a skit, and obviously a Foota yardy. Somebody in the comments say something about Foota, and you comment and say, no boy, no selector boy, we can't pay them rent and live in a barber shop, can't style you. See? Alright. Disrespect me now. And say you style me now. And I look and lock it and I say lock it. You know say, I'm not going to kick him when him down. And I'm not going to try help tear him down. See, him done and make an ass of himself and I do be a fuckery. So I'm not going to continue the pain the way I go through. I'm a lawyer. You know, so I never they're going to say nothing. And the ancestors them both 4 days after that.
What is going on here?
OBEAH, fuck you, God!
I can't stop. It's what?
So when the little sticker man on the post,
You see this?
select a boy, can't pay rent and live in a barber shop. Remember me, everybody say live in a barber shop. So
You see this?
So instead of me, you go out now, we just post back a video with the ancestors
big gunshot on fire
and beat you with it. Because you shouldn't do that. Because I never diss you. You understand? I never diss you. You should have never do that. I wonder how long I'm going to take for learn. Say every time when you diss me, the ancestors them clear to them. I never diss you, Majah. No. Me no dealings with you. No, you can't see me and chat to me. You tell somebody say anyway you see Foota, you're going to keep in face. Brother, I not say you can't do it. You know? I not say you can't do it. See? You can do it. You can do it. That's all I say. You can do it. Yeah, so I'm going to post a video there just for style you back. I know me make the video now nothing, but it show you say you know if you jump, if you say like I want to attack Foota, like Foota a weak fence. Look how much people talk about you and Kirby and this year up wicked and you're in a business. You understand? Like, don't style me. Don't style me. You understand me? I said, don't style me. Me never style a dog. Me not diss you. Nothing at all. Look how much things me know. Look how much things Foota know. Me know things from when you play Massive B sound. From you and the girl there in Brooklyn. She and my baby mother a friend. Look how much things me know. I never say nothing. You go at comment about selector boy, broke selector boy, we can't pay rent and live in a barber shop. You shouldn't do that. Now the ancestors them vex and just I work. You understand? So January Road boy, I'm glad to see what happened to you, but I can't. What am I going to do? And you call it down for yourself, you know. And you are going with the things them, you see me? Enough of them people, Foota not diss them, Foota just same honest opinion, them ready if you say Foota diss them. One of my fans them know when me a diss people or me diss people. Talk the truth. Uno know. Mitzi, what you mean look how long that happened? You think say the ancestor them pick special time for clad people? How long it happened doesn't mean it never happened. Him diss me for no reason. But them time that the panty picture them not come out yet. And people so stupid. Then if one thing say, so much video released with Kirby. How one not say to yourself say, so when I see none with MAJAH and Kirby, where them they there? Because obviously our thing is to video. So they must video something. And she must have some of them. That's why I sit down there and laugh for long, you know. And certain people call me and I say, wanna stop calling me, you know. Cause that girl there must have something to put out. The war not done. You understand? The war not done. You understand? The war don't finish. She a go clap back, me tell people. Know much people call me and I say, Ray. And me I tell them, say, Bridget, it not done. You better leave her alone. Even upon the life, me say it. Better lower her and try make him and her cool back. You see me? Make him and her cool back and everything boil down because a whole per road she can take it from. And me still I say that. Me still I say that. He better load the internet and stop try style her. Cause if every time you try style her, she can try style her back. You understand? All me them advise me I give the man another dog. Me never said nothing nobody now. Man run go jump up, broke selector boy. We are sleep in a barber shop and now can't pay him rent. Me? You ever hear somebody say me owe rent? Me. Foota hype. You ever hear nobody? Local or international, Jamaican or foreign. Me live a foreign how much here now. You ever hear nobody say me owe rent? You ever hear nobody at Jamaica say Foota hype owe them rent? No, not even rent. You ever hear nobody at Jamaica say Foota owe for a box of food? Or a drinks? You ever hear that? Oh, you say me owe for rent. You know, make up story dog. If you talk realistic to me, I'm one of the realest. And that's why I don't like me. You don't have too much secret, too much skeleton in the closet, bro, God. All this is idiot, you know. Would even react to your comment. I just block you. Because you know no sense. Just block you and done. Yeah, so what me I say, over the years, you know, when me go through my problem, you know, remember me go through woman problem already. Me go jail, me all kind of things. You never see no dirt come out from my thing. Kind of dirt not dead. The big difference is, you know, whether dirt come out by you know, is if you have dirt to come out. I don't have any dirt to come out. Yes, so on the need for approach me with caution and don't quick for jump up on this Foota. Because Foota can argue with anybody. Foota can debate with anybody. Call me slate clean. You understand what I say? As opposing to Uno now, we always want to take on Foota hype and attack Foota hype. Uno have dirt on some part, and the weird thing about it, Foota always get the file on the dirt. And I choose me not choose to do them something like that. When him come in and style me not lie, me feel away. Me feel a blood clot way. If you know, so I never diss him dog. And all me I do I give him proper solutions. And you are gonna jump up. And me first you try this. And even when him diss me not say nothing. When I notice I never come live, come address it. I just sit down and watch it clock a tick. I just watch it clock a tick. Because I know who I surround my program. My ancestors them were different and them were crazy. And I just sit down and I just wake up one morning and I see be a picture in my DM. You understand? Be a picture in my DM. And I say, well, Doreen, you're not easy. You know. I see him, so I say my mother not easy. You know, man. You know, say, I feel black you for that. No, I got black that person. I black that person. That comment is disrespectful. I got black you. As bad as things maybe, I black you. And it don't even make sense. That person there a while ago say, at least is a woman that dig out major bottom. That don't even sound right. I have to block you. I did have to block you. It didn't even sound right. No bottom, no fear dig out in the first place. To me, it no matter if the picture them all do to me. Does it really matter? No matter the age of the panic. Kirby picture them that can hold to. It never matter. But just I say, them have to understand, say, Foota hype is guided and protected by ancient African spirits. Me think no normal. Me think powerful. And one of the worst things to do is to diss me when me not diss you. Me have some more instances where the ancestors them working about. Me just can't show no. When you see it, but when you don't know. You understand me I say? Because you don't know. And I have short-term memory. When some people diss me, when you don't remember say them diss me. And then when the thing them reach them now, when you forgot say them diss Foota. So when you think I just something pop up, you know, but honestly, the memory dead if they diss the ancestors them not play people. See? So what me I say still, I don't really that me come over here for today. I just said that for express myself about that because me hurt when the man style me dog on a big man level because me never style him. You understand? I guess him feel like, yo, I was the best person for this for look like me tough or look like me rare, this Foota hype and everybody I can see that. No dog. They shouldn't do that. Because I never this year. Even now me still not this year. Yeah, me still not this year right now as me speak. I just show you say you ramp with the wrong spirit, my youth. My thing different. My black magic different. And I like how you see you go OBEAH man figure get help. Me not figure no OBEAH man to get help. My OBEAH different. Me have a whole of dead relatives and dead parents and dead people where me pray to on them. You see me? Sweetness honey care. Get a smile. Tweet. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, it look like, you know, me get to realize Gaga. See? Enough of them music people, yeah, they hate me and have me up for something, I don't know. It's like either them hate me for my strength, my resilience, like them hate how me overcome all of the obstacles that thrown at me, or them hate me over girl, or me too proud of myself, or them can't get for box me down or nothing. Me don't know. Me don't know. Cause sometimes something happen, you see the man them jump out quick for this Foota, all of me not do them nothing. You understand me I say? If people, you know say if you don't notice me not follow up the bag of gossip. Alright, one time I used to in a every little bling bling drama. You know, notice when I come live, I not to deal with something there again. And I notice that. When I notice that. Just pre it and look. If me talk about social commentary, me talk about that and hold some vibes and, you know, talk about things that uplift black people and uplift the nation, dog. You see me? But it come like, alright, me hear all this song where I say, suck your mother Foota hype and some man me think say me and them cool and them a play the song. So me I say, Foota, it come like them man you have a hatred for you and you don't know. You understand me I say, cause if you say you rate Foota any at all, that song they not even fit in your laptop. That song they not fit in your laptop at all. I wouldn't say me for black now. I wouldn't say me for black now. Let me look how me for black. You know him good at ask that Majah nobody use no fake page over here comment, man. You just comment to the real page, man. Alright, yeah, so what me I say now, like me a selector, them a selector. Me and them not have no problem as to where me know. How the song they reach in your laptop? How you end up and play that song there? Oh, me don't understand. So really and truly then that me and a friend. You a selector, me a selector. We in the same industry but we are not friends. Because anybody play that song, they can't be my friend. Gaga said enough of them are, all of them are pussy Foota. But it's like you know see it. Me see enough of post dance at Jamaica where I play the song. Yeah, then me I say Gaga like so it look like them have a level of ignorance. Cause you know, some man just vexed because from a bus, me a top selector, me in a top 3 from a bus. From a bus 2001 Foota hype in a top 3 selector in Jamaica and can't move, can't fall out, can't get erased. Me left Jamaica and live a foreigner, me still in a top 3 selector. So it's like some of the man them envy that, but I don't know nothing that for envy, dog. That ain't nothing for envy. I work, me work, you know. Member say, me no put on wig, me no dress like girl, me no do no shaky skit, me no act like no girl. I be a realist, me come and say, my born batty man, my born lesbian. Me do all that things them where get the most fight. But yet still, me still up on top, dog. So now me, I just my destiny for the on top. And my destiny, God give me the power of talking. God give me the gift of speech. So, me not understand them selector 1-8 Foota for. What could that really be the reason? Yo, the way me kind out is as a selector. When me book selector, me pay them. I might not pay what stranger I pay, but me pay them. If something reach a selector, me help them out. Me will send money go get selector, me ear problem reach them. All if it not have nothing to do with me. I don't know something when me load up. I would have never call out them name, dog. Or I say, oh, me did do that for rare, you know. No. You understand me? I say, but no worse than the artist where this me, you know. The selector them will play this song. You're worse than the artist where diss me. You understand me? I say, you are more of an enemy than the artist who sing this song, you know. You understand me? I say, it's just real time. I don't no. Because I can't tell you no, what to play, or what to play, or how to play a song. But just know, say, once you play that song there, Foota and you are no longer friends. You are selector, me a selector. Now I'm going to say, if you yell me, yell you. But in terms of friend, if I see somebody a kill you the next day, I'm going to lock me and make them kill you. You understand me? I say? Anyway, I see things that reach you, I'm going to turn my back. I'm not sorry for you. You understand me? I say? Because there's no way you can really even rate Foota hype as a selector and have the song in your laptop, you know. Or play the song there. You understand me? I say? There's no way. If you ever look at Foota and say, Jano, Foota one of the big selector them when I rate. Or if you have that song in your laptop. Oh. So once you play that song there, just avoid me, dog. Just avoid me. Not see me and talk about brother Wagwan and Wagwan, my friend. Don't say that. Just say, bless. And I say, bless, and you go on where you go, and me go on where me go. Me, you can't be friend. Not friend. You understand? It's just reality. Yeah, straight up. Anyway, you know, say, it's a review show. So, we're not going to spend the whole time and talk on them something. See? Yeah, so, we're going to come some home now. And we're going to start the review. The youth here, name Nudge Music.